सांतनी हांगा रस्त्याचो एक भाग कोसळला, तेका लागून पणजी शहराच्या महापालिकेन बेगोबेग दुरुस्तीचे काम सुरू केला। सीसीपीचे नगराध्यक्ष रोहित मोन्सेरात हांणी नागरी अधिकाऱ्यां सयत लुकसाणाची पळोवणी करपाक आनी सध्या सुरू आशिल्ल्या जीर्णोद्धाराच्या कामाचेर नदर दवरपाक त्या सुवातीक भेट दिली। प्रभावित वाठार दुरुस्त करपा खातीर आनी भौशीक सुरक्षेची जतनाय घेवपा खातीर यत्न सुरू आसा, अशें अधिकाऱ्यांनी सांगले। ह्या घडणुकेक लागून राजधानी शारांतल्या कांय वाठारांनी रस्त्याची स्थिती आनी अंडरग्राउंड मुळाव्या सुविधांविशीं परतून एक फावट हुस्को उक्ताडार आयला।
रायज पयले जाल्यार थिंगा सकाळी रस्त्याचेर कर्व जालो थंय आनी फुडेंय वडा कडेन थंय देंवलेलो आहा रस्तो, सो हेचेर कितें सांगलां?
So this one next to SBI, the engineers have said it's an old line, old cable line from 2018, 2019, not related to smart city in any way. So that the drill bit was left inside and the road has collapsed. So what we told the engineers to do is basically we are filling the hole, putting concrete, leveling it, and putting bitumen on top of it. The idea now is we don't want anyone to be injured. People are breaking the hole is pretty deep. We are breaking the road a little bit more, and we're going to level it a little later. This is a sewage blockage. This is something else that they are going to do.
So आणि खंयतरी अशें बीन इन्सिडंट जावंक शकता?
Now I think there is one also, one small one is settled a little bit. So once after this we will go that. So I will go to that other area. So I've told the engineers also to go take one round and check and see whenever there is settlement, we'll open that area, level it and then we'll bring close it.
Okay.